Welcome. Thank you so much for joining us this weekend to learn all about Chalk Couture. My teammates have all invited their friends, and so I consider it an honor that you're going to spend some time with us this weekend. So thank you for letting me take the time to show you what Chalk Couture is all about. I learned about Chalk Couture last April. I was looking for something crafty to do. I'm a mom of four. I have a son with autism, and I just wanted something that was just for me, something fun. So at first I thought I wanted to do vinyl projects. And I bought a Cricut and I bought the vinyl and it sat on the table. I didn't know how to do the software. It just wasn't a good fit for me. I did 2 or 3 projects and the weeding process was really tedious to me, and it just wasn't a good fit because I couldn't think of ideas of what I wanted to do. We have teammates that love their machine and they do a lot of that, and so that's great, and I'm glad they enjoy it, but it wasn't for me. So then I started looking around and saying, well, what could I do? So I saw these YouTube videos of people creating with Chalk Couture, and I was immediately intrigued because it looked so easy. So I'd watch video after video, different surfaces. They do tea towels and baby onesies and chalkboards, wooden boards. Everything turned out so beautiful, and that's what I needed. I needed something quick and easy that I didn't have to put a lot of thought into, but that I could have a beautiful project at the end. So I ordered, and I have never looked back. I sold my Cricut, put that money into transfers, and so I've enjoyed it every minute. So let me show you what we have, just the basics of what we're going to be using this weekend, so you just kind of know what we're talking about when we say a transfer or whatever. So the building block of all of this is the silkscreen transfers. Let me find our A size transfer. So this is our smallest size. This is one of our monogram pieces. We have every letter and some symbols in our monograms. Everybody loves putting monograms, at least they do in the South. I'm in Dallas, so there's lots of monograms. And then we go up to our B size transfers. Some have little cut apart pieces like that one, and some are a full design on the whole thing. Okay, and then we go up to C size, a little bit bigger. This is our chicken and rooster from our Chalk Stories collection. I'll tell you more about that this weekend. And then we go up to our D size transfer. And this is beautiful. I love these flowers. I can't wait to use it. And then our largest transfers are size E. So that's a pretty hefty size transfer there. Usually it has parts that will go together, like this wreath does with the cotton pieces. So not all the designs are the whole thing, but that's our largest transfer. And then we have our ink and chalk. So our Chalkology paste is semi-permanent, and that means it'll stay there as long as you want it until you don't. And then you just use water to wipe it off. So otherwise it'll stay on your surface and look beautiful. The other thing that we have is the ink, and it's considered permanent. It goes on really smoothly, and then once it's dry you can heat set it and it'll be permanent. So it's really great for fabrics and for ceramics, glass items, and some other surfaces as well. We also sell squeegees. That's what you use to apply the Chalkology paste in the ink. And we have several different sizes and shapes, for small spaces, for big spaces. This is really good, when you have large areas. And then we also sell several different kinds of surfaces. We're gaining new ones all the time. And these products, though, can be used on any surface. So maybe you have something in your home, like a big mirror or an old antique can or glasses, anything. There's all kinds of things you can put Chalk Couture on. that will make your home beautiful and make beautiful gifts for others. And so since these transfers are reusable 8 to 12 times, you can make things for your own home and things to give as gifts as well. So we're so excited that you're going to join us this weekend and learn how to use the products and some new techniques, how to add glitter, how to clean your transfers and to keep them going as long as they possibly can, even past those 12 uses. And so please join us, and if you can't catch a live video, you can catch the replay of it, and any questions that are in the comments, I'll go back and answer, or the person that invited you will be answering them. So thank you so much. We look forward to it, and we're gonna have a great time. All right, bye.